This is Learn Igbo on Igbotic Nono. Choose from the correct options and put it in the comment section. What is sun called in Igbo language? And what is chair called in Igbo language? What is pot called in Igbo language? And what is cotton called in Igbo language? What is hand called in Igbo language? And what is water called in Igbo language? What is cup called in Igbo language? And what is mat called in Igbo language? The sleeping mat, right? And what is dog called in Igbo language? And what is money called in Igbo language? I'm sure you know this. And what is cooking oil called in Igbo language? Make sure you subscribe.